Hey, good day everyone. Check out this seat cover I have for this DRZ400. This one is a year 2000, but needed a new seat, and this thing exceeded my expectations as far as installation and overall quality too. The thing just folds out. It's got this nice like rubbery grip cover too. It's gonna grip the insides of my legs and the seat too for my butt, keep me from sliding around. But super easy to install. Just remove the seat and fit the thing up over the seat, and take a stapler, get it nice and tight there, get any wrinkles pulled out of it. Okay, what we're doing is we're just taking a stapler right there and folding it around like this and just stapling it around. We're going right over the original seat cover too. You can see they stapled it, but that's how we're doing this. Gonna make sure it's nice and tight and even all the way around. There's a look at it. Got the seat cover all installed and stapled up. Now we'll just go ahead and put the seat back on the bike there, and we're ready to go. Really happy with this thing. I was surprised at how easy it was. Really nice seat cover. Thanks for watching, everybody.